Our experience with Ayers has been really great. We had a huge storm yesterday, and without hesitation, they still came to our house this morning ready to go on time.
They were my first call and my only call.
How they were early, how they were so nice, how they were just efficient and made sure that I understood everything. I didn't even want to get 2 more estimates. I was like, I'm going with you guys, I don't care.
This is Ayers Basement Systems, and this is how we do business.
Going to be a big value added to the house, not just while I'm living here, but when I go to sell it as well.
Done well, they cleaned up after themselves, it was good.
I like the guys out there working, they're young and they got good work ethics.
Pointed out everything they did. If I had any questions, they would be happy to answer them. They really cared about what I felt I was getting out of this.
Every interaction from the very beginning to the very end, to even sitting and talking with you, I can see that Ayers isn't just hiring bodies. They're hiring people who care.
Pleasant to be around.
And still professional.
They jumped out of their trucks and do what they're supposed to do when they're supposed to do it. No headaches. And with having 7 kids, there's a lot of headaches. Ayers, there's no headaches, so that's a good thing.